solar, you can see the 300-watt FSFP system, how it is connected, and how it will be given the powers and all. So it's nothing but one experimental setup how it's working. So just you can see there is a the solar. So here unfortunately there is a no float. So with the help of float we are using the only the tubes. So in the top of the tubes, we are connecting the solar, and it's just working. Just we want to just this is not a permanent solutions. This is a for temporary purpose because we don't have any kind of the floats and all. So we are just want to show how it is work. So we are checking that it's better with respect to the whatever we have in the connecting in the land, it will be better. So that's the reasons we are connecting the solar PV on the liquid. Just see, this is another combinations of solar connections with the help of this kind of the structure. We are getting the good efficiency with respect to the others. So that's why we are connecting this kind of solar also. Just see how it will be worked and how the float is connecting. Just see there this is the connections, and how the float is connecting the float. There is an angle, and on the top of the angle we are connecting the solar. Going into the next slide, sir. Yeah, just see, this is another solar plant, and it's nothing but working just like that. So it will be I think it will be, you can able to understand how this solar is connected. Next, this is I already described, but I am explaining once again. Just see, this is the next. Yeah, just there is a float, and in this float, 2/3 whatever I say emerge into the water, and 1/3 will be the top of the liquid, and in the upper portions there are connected a solar module, and these solar module are just see with the help of weight, it is a fix it up so that it will not be go here and there. So that's why this solar will be working properly, and the whatever the electricity lines is going, means the underwater cable, it's going into the grid, and the grid to it will be in the distributions line. So what are the the problem is solving with the help of that this diagram, means what are the challenges whatever we are facing in the solar system with respect to the plain land or in the rooftop solar. Lot of problem is there the due to dust problem, there due to the uh, problem due to the thundering, and due to the different climates. So that's why this kind of problem can be changed totally whenever we are connecting this onto the float or seaside on that. Going into the next, these are the current challenges due to increase the applications of non-linear loads. Power quality of the supply is several disturbed, means say whatever I say in the first, in the what is happening in the power plant, if we are increasing the the flow of the coal flow of the coal in the thermal power plant, then it will be generate the higher electricity. Or if we are increasing the pressure of the water, water pressure if increasing, as well as it will be affect the the what we if we have the the turbine, the turbine blade, it will be working fastly, and it will be increase the our electricity generations. Maybe the 500 kilowatt one plant, I see lot of plants with this, maybe in the one unit it is a in it's have the 500 kilowatts, So it can be maximum is a 500 kilowatts. It can be operate in a 100 kilowatt also. It can be operate in a 150 kilowatt also. It can be operate in a 200 kilowatt also. You never think about that. Maybe in the using in the lot of ACs we are using means we are using we are consuming so much of power, but in the winter season we are not using, so we are not consuming any power, so our electricity bill also reduced. So how it will be managed in the power plant? Nothing but only one the formula is there to reduce the coal supply or to reduce the pressure of the water. With the help of these two, it is managed. But in the solar power plant, it is not in our hand. Whenever any constant power is required, say like you have a street light, maybe in a street light. In street light, there is only solar panel is connected. From that, which power can be generated, something like that. At the evening time, it will be on, or at the daytime it will be off. So as a result, it will be working. So whatever the, this is just like a calculations. If I am connecting a yeah, whatever you have, the your maybe 100 kilowatt in your rooftop. So 100 kilowatt, if I am any fruitful for that. So it is only one panel is required, which maybe are connected with a street light, so it will be working properly. So different parameter for the solar panel, so that we are using the solar panel according to our requirement. If requirement we have kilowatt, but we have functions you maybe in your college, when it will be off your college, maybe in the Durga Puja. Maybe in the Durga Puja, you have 20 days of leave. In that particular time, your solar is working, your solar is not in the switch off mode. So solar is working.